So that's not fog, that's tire smoke. From the new toy, it's dinging behind me. I mean, it is, you can't half see it, but oh lordy. Got a beautiful 02 Crown Vic lifted, sitting off that 265 70/16. This thing is a beast. 4.6 V8 automatic, beautiful. It is a beast. Been breaking her in a little, just a little. I was slinging a bit of crap there a minute ago, but beautiful. It's been in a little bit of, they hit a deer. She's been rhino lined, but radio works. It's got 177,000 miles. ABS lights on because we've been doing burnouts. Check engine lights on now. Beautiful. Even got the old cop light. Beautiful car. It's got the F-150 mirrors. Some of the interiors with a little crap in it, but oh, and it's beautiful. Like, I'm in love with this car. Ford. Yeah.